In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add music to your WhatsApp status. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this cool feature. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you, and if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe with notifications onto our channel, Media Magnet Guide, to stay updated with our future tutorials. Adding music to your WhatsApp status is a creative way to enhance your status updates. Here's how to do it. Start by opening your Instagram app. Create a new story on Instagram. To add a song, tap on the Music option. Choose a song from the available options and select the part of the song you want to use for your status. Save your music-enhanced story by clicking on the Save button in the top right corner. Now switch to your WhatsApp and go to Status. Click on Add Status to create a new status update. Choose the music-enhanced video you've just created on Instagram. Play the video to ensure the music is playing in the background. Remember to make sure that the duration of the music matches the length of your video. Save and share your status update, and your WhatsApp contacts can now enjoy your music-enhanced status. That's it. You've successfully added music to your WhatsApp status. It's a fun and engaging way to share your favorite tunes and set the mood for your status updates. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to ask in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on our channel, Media Magnet Guide. Thank you for watching.